Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to group tabs in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser and navigate to the website you want to include in your tab group. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the browser where your tabs are displayed. This is where you'll be managing all your tab groups. Now, right-click on that tab to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Add Tab to New Group. This action initiates the tab grouping feature in Brave and allows you to organize your browsing sessions more efficiently. After clicking, you'll see a small prompt appear asking you to customize your new group. In the Name This Group field, type whatever name you'd like to use for identifying this particular group. Choosing a descriptive name helps you quickly recognize what type of tabs belong in this group when you have multiple groups open at once. Next, you'll notice several color options displayed as small color chips. Click on one of these colors to assign it to your group. The color coding is a visual aid that makes it easier to distinguish between different tab groups at a glance, especially when you're working with several groups simultaneously. Once you've entered your group name and selected a color, press enter or simply click anywhere outside the menu to confirm your choices. Your tab is now part of a newly created group with the name and color you just selected. Now open another website in a new tab that you want to add to the same group. Once that page loads, right-click on the new tab to bring up the context menu again. This time, click on Add Tab to Group from the options presented. When you click that option, you'll see a list appear showing your existing groups. Select the name of the group you created earlier from this menu. The tab will instantly join that group, keeping your related tabs organized together in one place. If you want to rearrange the order of tabs within your group, simply drag the tabs left or right inside the group. This drag and drop functionality lets you prioritize and organize tabs based on your workflow or preference without needing to remove them from the group. Finally, to get an overview of all your tab groups, right-click on any of the tab groups you've created in the upper left corner. This gives you access to additional management options and lets you see all your groups at once. And that's how you organize and manage tab groups in Brave browser, making your browsing experience much more efficient and clutter-free. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.